Hi, Linda Kay here from lindakstampinpage.blogspot.com with my October 2020 video to the collab I'm in titled Canned Paper Pumpkin. I'm in this collab with Paige, who is Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and the objective of this collab is to use our paper pumpkin kits. Both Paige and I found ourselves hoarding the kits, and we were getting more kits coming in and less going out, and they were creating more space, so we decided to use our old paper pumpkin kits, make room for more, and share those completed kits with you here on YouTube. So hopefully if you have kits, it inspires you to use those kits up. For the month of October, we were focusing on this paper pumpkin kit, and it was from March 2020, no matter the weather. And if you made the kit according to the directions that were included, you would be able to make 12 beautiful cards, and they were get well encouragement cards, or you could do alternative items just like they show right here. And then in addition to all the items to create these 12 cards, for this month we received a free stamp set, and I'll show you that later, and you could make items like this. But the stamp set that came with the kit itself is right here, and it's Let Love Grow No Matter the Weather, We're in This Together, Wishing You Brighter Days Ahead, Raindrops, Hearts, Amaze, You're Capable of Amazing Things, some kind of water spots, water streaks, and some really nice clouds. So this stamp set came with the kit, and then here's the free stamp set right here, and it is a kind of a front door, a house, some flowers, these cute rain boots with the floral insert, flowers, the little bunny, and a basket of flowers, and the sentiment is I believe in you. So this I can see myself using quite a bit in the future. Now what I have left in the kit is I have the ink spot, and believe it or not, I did not have basic gray in my collection of stamp pads, so I did use this one. It came with these cute epoxy raindrops and circles. I really like those, and I did use a lot of them. It came with this white and green baker's twine. I just have a little bit left of that, and then I do have 2 circles and 1 label, as well as 2 and a portion of the punch outs, I guess they're called. But that is what I have left, and I'm going to show you now what I created. And I did create 12 cards. I tried to just use the card stock that was included with the kit, but I did pull out a few other items, and for additional stamp sets I used Under My Umbrella along with the matching umbrella builder punch by Stampin' Up. And then I also pulled out this old stamp set, Something to Say, and I wanted just the congratulations. I was trying to fit the little label, so I just wanted that. And then for inks, I did use almost all of my Stampin' blends, and I've got those put away, so I'm not going to dig those up. But for the ink pads, I used Pear Pizzazz, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, So Saffron, Rococo Rose, Balmy Blue, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, and Magenta Madness, as well as the Memento Tuxedo ink. And then for some dies, I did use my rectangle stitched framelits. So these are the way that the cards were intended. And I did embellish them a little different. I did put my glossy accents on all the little dots on the boots. And I put the little round epoxy stickers right there. And otherwise, it's pretty much the way it was intended. And this card here is as it was intended. I did put glossy accent on the green boots there. So, yep, that was a fun card. And then this one right here is as it was intended. I didn't do anything to the inside. I thought I would just use them to, you know, as note cards. Now, the next two, I did use the umbrella builder punch, and I tried to make a basket of flowers. It was kind of difficult, and let flower bring love's flowers. Let showers bring love's flowers. That was also from the umbrella, under my umbrella stamp set, because I could not, and you'll see it in the next card, I couldn't turn that gray sky blue. It just got grayer. So, and here's another one. I wasn't real happy. I liked the umbrella, but I didn't like the flowers. And I was a little upset about that. And that was last night. And then I thought, well, I'm going to do a little different. So here, this is something similar to the way it was intended, but I used a different sentiment. And then I made this one here where I took the stamp set from the free stamp set and created that. And then I did put kind of glossy accent like she was in rainwater. And then I made this one here, a little different card base. And then I really like this one. I just took the card base and I did a whole bunch of grass, and then I took one of those circles with my Mango Melody Stampin' Blends, both the bright and light. And I found with the Stampin' Blends and the paper that they chose, after I stamped it and then did the coloring, it smudged the writing. So then I had to waste one circle, and then the next circle I colored it, let it dry, and then I stamped it. But I thought that looked pretty nice. And for what was around her feet, I used my Stampin' Write markers in those colors. And here are the free stamp set. I really like those boots, and I really liked it in the Magenta Madness. And I put little rhinestones right on the little tabs or the buckles of the boots. And here are the boots in real red, and I took Stampin' Blends and just dotted the flowers. But now this one is my favorite. My nephew and his girlfriend are buying a house, and believe it or not, it's next door. So they're closing tomorrow. So I made them a welcome or congratulations, and I just did the free stamp set, and then I put the house number right on the door and put congratulations, and I will fill this out inside, and I might give them a little gift card to Home Depot or Menards or one of those things. So those are my cards for this month's canned paper pumpkin, which is the No Matter the Weather. Now, I think I've canned this paper pumpkin, don't you? Well, I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to leave a link to Paige's channel below so that you can go over and see what amazing things she created with her kit. And I'm going to assure you that they are amazing. That woman is so talented. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you come back next month. And as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, hit that little notification button down there. That way you are assured of never missing another one of these marvelous videos. Well, see you next month. Bye.